All right, Abusia. Me very sure say one news no say Okatakyie Afrifa has been arrested. Yes, he has been arrested. As I speak now, I'm with him right now. Now me no ka say the two na apapa all because of say some policemen arrested no the two no ebubo ni three they be cry police for most some of them claim we say oh Okatakyie ni ade identity in those kind of name but then any one maybe say they didn't unite e buy
Abusianti abegin tremu no but Mamenkai will say Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah we release press statement or tremu the course nyina na me no ka say so ade a ye de nakwa akoto hospital a ye hwe no yare sanse we prapra emu odin ye pa wo hwe say police tu a ye de bro no ne ade na ade a baby oda no ye tremu a ano ye den pa edi amano ye frame me abala o des make sure so be subscribe na wa like video no ansana ye be kenkai press statement Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah edi aba abonten no yenti deck 360 ni cheche mu a ode bae sanse ono de na one Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah enenam wo dwumedie na se
na me no ka say the two na apapa all because of say some policemen arrested no the two no ebubo ni three they be cry police for most some of them claim we say oh Okatakyie ni ade identity in those kind of name but then any one maybe say they didn't unite e buy they didn't unite buy and say Afigya Sekyere East and Okatakyie Afrifa na honorable cancer maybe in cancer board and the MP for this constituency so Okatakyie Afrifa grassroots and say omo ewo kro ni bi pese ono so o medi omo so na some pese ono no nyede MP ni bi Okatakyie Afrifa who say some document be and I said the way you see executives no and the way I name BC call no that's not how it should be problem kakra den e wo ho tell you yan correct no yan rectify and correct them be wo ho ansa na akoto aba no na amazing cancer and so say the document that we have no and one and what say easy so that say me masuti tima me call from no me hu bi no so much say even maybe in cancer board papa say bia ohun say we Okatakyie support Okatakyie no acho say wo no ye we free wo no onye supporting cancer board maybe cancer in bra that's how some people and I say some constituents are saying and Okatakyie na so yere aka Okatakyie to say problem document no say ade anye den yan correct na answer na yere ya to aba no answer na be executive na answer na ya call primaries na ade Okatakyie at the court and as I no go pay court na court say asem no yan fan to no other constituencies bit my atomaba but if you just a easy and any Asante Achim North there no fan to na ya kasem nu na den ya to aba no you got enya information say court the injunction atoso no but maybe in cancer honorable maybe in cancer so about have a election to get so as no court in can we but okoto aba no okay in a normal sense Okatakyie to make say okay but they koto aba but say no court but no but they say no let me go and serve the policemen they were armed not policemen kuta two over 30 Okatakyie was just there to present the document court document to the police say abana omoto no omayeden omo ewo court nti ebe ya mon port no anase enjai anka yekoto abase a ye free bibi album no je omam koto aba no mudi what they do any ade no osanka obi ayeden enya bi especially Okatakyie anka okope MP ni ade osanka onya bi na honorable council so eden enya bi ba yekoto aba no Okatakyie no oyede oni bi oni album no ebi but medicine cancer ewo album ni bi what I say medicine cancer wo album no ebi ona medicine cancer ewo album ni bi but Okatakyie no de onye den oni bi na Okatakyie say no say koto aba no mpa I no say me nya bi na so nya bi na hu de be say na ba koto no me ni album ni ba wo no o album ni bi it is idea yes sanema and as wo hwe ade na the way the police were standing there what means that na plan I say ya plan ade na o twen Okatakyie se ba bedding oba bi tom so Okatakyie ko no so na kromofo ni bi edi na chi so dem kan no go the good people of Afigya Sekyere o man e pese omdo Okatakyie de eko to mu di na chi hey to mu do na to Okatakyie kra ewura mu akohu commander na police for no stopping no make an action so aso the police for no says omo fire too so kan Okatakyie ho a no matter Okatakyie okase omo hu se no Okatakyie kra na ma na omato okase omo hu se no oye Okatakyie kra no mato oh na brother kase ya bubi I want to use a police phone. Me, I saw me police phone. Be some policemen they are doing wonderful works. It be yejuma, but it be no. Esen kate corridors and any damn boni be from. It be tiano all the name of say, ebia or you support Okatakyie and I say you are backing Okatakyie. So this what it mean Okatakyie e wo inside see ya. Me this update. So that's it's any update biano. Me the ebe but me bompa say NPP impany for any Ghana enche say emra Ghana na ade baby a say pepe edano na emfa nyede emfa nto so Okatakyie say problem album no and I say document now court class in Jaya even communicate free NPP headquarters scriber I read some so mu hot say omunjai but then that means there should be actions so I say see that's why Okatakyie is trending so once Okatakyie is trending this is the cause of it. All trendy.
It's a busuanhwe statement here free for the records hono na chese Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah nensa ehyasie legal representative and the family omo chese 12 July 2026 which is ende and about one course wo Afigya Sekyere East constituency ono Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah or shana nkeja wetimi ahwe so betimi edi MP kra e was a constituency na ni echemu a abato na ekoso no internal elections a constituency executives ene de keka ho mo to aba eyi empanimfo mu belidi constituency no eba ne party ni din mu a na Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah echre say wo hwe ensensem bi ewo sa constituency wonti amana kwa kopie mu court a ya chese enkomo beye kra mu holding on with elections no said the beye antiase beye adwuma na ade a obi ahwehwe bia no mpanimfo betimi aye na obi akoma ato ne yem na afi abato no omatimi ede ahyehye so enti ade nti na omoto abomo chese enkrata sembi ne nema bi ho no mokra nipa bi afa ato omo so aye omo ankasa de a omo hwa ma abato no akoso a wo hwe mu a enye sakra enanka ewose ekoba no enti Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah ene ne team members ede na ni tremu ewo bia ya na abato ne ekoso wo honom okodru honom a jese yentie na no mu asem kra adan ya on dey Okatakyie Afrifa oba besai nioma ena de ne police fu ewo ho hwan yo we matuo su a na etuo no ano no wo de pem ne tiri ho ene omomudi na chi koye kra de omo pena na ye de eye wo mo enti wo hwe statement na Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah ni legal representatives ene ne family interest de course wo honom no ade a eni enye pa na aha wo okwan bebre so ama me no ka sei do ade Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah ye de na kwa akoto ayaresabia metre hospital a wo mo ehwe no sanse baby odano ano de ye pa initially na enka ade a owo police station but o hwe moja pram no any to na omo de bro ne ne ade ninti a e wo se yi de fi honom ne ekopɛ no e friend say e ekopɛ duro bi ye no na ne ho etimi eto no enti we a statement for the records and also Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah the legal representatives ne family aka bom e de aba beto abonten enti abusua said ye ho nsem ne etie no yegusua e di atwire de beto fom bia so yebeba mo aso atibi memom de me twen NPP empenifo no ensem omwo eka fasa asemu ehu sanse we die internal election imponi omwo ankasa mo ho abatompo ena tu twetwe abem no police fonso fa bebe ne yechemu a ebi mu anya o madwuma yie kra eno ho nyina ka ho ti na masanfom so we nyina no aba nenso police de omohwema bibia etodi ewo Afigya Sekyere East constituency abusua ensem na no odin ye frame ya balaw de special wa subscribe and like na feature wadwen ewo comment section ho.
Up the loudest.
Loudest.